was a memorable day for Pastor Isaac Oyedepo, the second son of the president of Living Faith Church Worldwide, popularly known as Winners Chapel, Bishop David Oyedepo, as he marked his 40th birthday in a grand style on the 25th of February 2025. The celebration was nothing short of spectacular. Family, friends, and well-wishers gathered to honor a man whose life has been dedicated to faith, leadership, and impact. From heartfelt prayers to touching tributes, it was a moment that truly reflected Isaac's journey and the legacy he carries forward. The event, held at an exclusive venue, was filled with music, laughter, and powerful words of encouragement from mentors, family members, and associates. Bishop David Oyedepo, his father and spiritual leader, prayed over him, blessing his next phase of life with wisdom, strength, and greater achievements. Notable dignitaries who attended the event include Pastor Paul Eneche, founder of Dunamis International Ministries, Pastor Biodo Fatoyibo, founder of COSA, Bishop Abioye, and Bishop Aremo, among hosts of others. Pastor Isaac served as a full-time pastor with Living Faith Church Worldwide for 16 years. During his service with Living Faith, he pastored several branches in the United States of America, South Africa, and Nigeria. At 40 years, Isaac Oyedepo stands as a powerful crossroad, a man of faith, vision, and purpose, ready to take on greater assignments. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.